my wonderful people. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, good night, wherever you are watching me from. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Thank you guys for your support. Thank you. God bless you all. In today's video, guys, we are cooking. Yes, guys, we are making owo. Yes, in Benin we call it owo. So I'm using chicken to make it. The chicken is already clean and adding all my spices, onions. So I'm mixing it right now. You can use any spices of your choice. So after I mix it, I cover it to steam. So after I cook the chicken for some time, I will now blend tomatoes and add it to it and continue cooking without tomato paste. When you are cooking owo, we don't need tomato paste. So we only need dry pepper and fresh tomatoes or canned tomatoes. Anyone you have, you can use it for owo. Then after everything, you add your ingredient, you add everything. So after everything, you will now add your crayfish. You will continue cooking. Add normal fish if you have, then cook for some time, leave it to cool down. Then later you will now add ikang. In Benin we call it ikang. In English it's like potash. You will now add that one, then leave it for some time. Later you now add red oil, which is palm oil. After that, the food is ready. We'll cook the yam and plantain. All is done. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like and share. God bless you all. Enjoy the rest of the video. Bye.
I wanna thank you.